Hey guys, it's just from Stay at Home Adventures, and on this video I am going to show you the new 2020 free cash envelopes that we're offering, why I updated them, and what happened to the old cash envelopes. So stay tuned. Okay, so thank you for watching this video and listening to my voice. So here are the 3 cash envelopes that I offer that are free. You probably are watching this video because I sent you a link to this video so you can see how it is used. I do have an old style cash envelope freebie that I offer, which I am going to be replacing soon. So if you are here and wondering why these envelopes look different, it is because I updated them. And believe me, these envelopes are better and will fit more money, more cash, instead of the previous design that I have. Why I changed them was because I kind of like to ask for feedback from my readers, and they suggested to make some changes, and they actually inspired me to create this design right here. So you can see you can use any paper. Cardstock is good, but if you don't have it, you don't have to go out of your way to make a purchase for it. You can also use glue and tape. For verticals, I like to use tape. And actually for the vertical cash envelopes, I use them as sinking funds too. So when I have back to school or summer cash, I like to keep them in my budget binder or in my happy planner, depending on where I have my money printables at. And this is the horizontal cash envelopes. This is actually my favorite. This is where I keep in my wallet. And for this type of envelope, I like to use glue, and any glue will do. You can use tape too. You can just tape the sides and you will be fine. Now, if you have any questions, if you love cash envelope printables, I also have a shop, and I can leave the link below. I sell sets of cash envelopes for at least $3.99, I believe. And in here, I just want to show you that it can hold about $200. You can hold more, but I just wanted you to see how I use them. As far as the wallet, I will leave the link below. It probably cost me like $20, $25. And both styles of envelopes do fit inside the wallet, so you don't have to worry about it. And in here, I decided to cut the third one just in case someone left a comment saying that I only cut 2 instead of 3. And so I also want to show you guys how I use this type of envelopes inside my happy planner. And again, I will leave the link below where I purchased everything you see here, where to find these envelopes. And please make sure you subscribe to our newsletter because I tend to give freebies and you guys like freebies. All right, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, again, please let me know. I hope that these freebies are very useful to you. Thanks for watching.